Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Circular measure lecture 2. For this lecture, I am using the work of my student Miss Sabah Bilal Kamar of class 2022, the Lyceum. An important advice for me and for everyone, we should be soft to others. Question number 1. Since this triangle is right angle, therefore, and we have this is 6 and this is 6, therefore we can get the length of the hypotenuse by using Pythagoras, and we can also get these two angles because the triangle is right angle isosceles. So these two angles are 45 each, so this will be pi by 4. So before starting the question, I solve this triangle. Whenever right angle triangle is given, always try to solve the right angle triangle. Now the question is, the diagram shows a semicircle with radius 6 and as an arc of center A. This arc BD has center A. This is important. The length of the arc BD. We have the radius, we have the angle, we can easily get the arc length. This is the formula of the arc length. Always give your answer in exact form. Leave the answer in exact form, or if you want to give the answer in fractional form or in decimal, then write the answer in this way. First give the exact answer, write the word or, and then give the answer in decimal. This is the better way. But when answer is exact, leave the answer as it is. This answer is exact, so you could leave this answer as it is. Now we need area of this shaded region. So this is very simple, sector minus triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle. This is the area of sector formula, and this is the area of triangle. The triangle is the right angle, so the formula is half base into height. Area of sector half r square theta, and triangle half base into height. This is the exact answer. You can leave your answer here, but if you want to give this answer, then give your answer in this form, exact or this answer. Sorry. Question number 2. In this question, I will discuss the part 1 only because part 2 involves differentiation, which is not the topic, and we will do differentiation after the midterm. A piece of wire of length 50 centimeter is bent to form the perimeter of a sector POQ of a circle. Now this is simple. This total length is 50. So this is r, so this will be 50 minus 2r. So we can get the value of theta from this formula. S is equal to r theta. This is the value of theta. By substituting this theta into area formula, half r square theta, here we can get the answer. We have to show this thing. Area is 25 times r minus r square. Basically, we had to get the value of theta from here. This is the arc length formula. Get the value of theta and then substitute theta into area formula. The area formula is half r square theta. You just need to substitute theta here. Leave the part 2. This question is important. In this question, this thing is very important. See, this circle C1 has radius 8 and this circle has radius 2. Therefore, this is 2 and this is 8. So this total length will be this total length will be 10, this one, PQ, and we need this length. Let me correct this. This is 8, this is 2, and so this total will be 10. This length is 2, so this will be 2. Therefore, this length will be 6. So we have right angle triangle. 10, 6, so this will be 8 according to Pythagoras theorem. And we have to find this length RS. So when this is 8, so this will be 8. In this question, two things were very important. This 8 and this 2 will make 10. This length from here to here is 6. And then you can use Pythagoras. Find the angle RPQ. Now check where is RPQ. RPQ. This is so simple. This angle is P. By using sine, cos or tan, we can get this thing. So the answer is 0.9273. But okay, they required the answer in up to fourth significant figure. Find the area of the shaded region, which is very simple. You just need to get the shaded region as trapezium minus this sector and this sector. But for this sector you must have this total angle. This total angle will be required. So first get this angle, because this angle and this, they both are same, and this angle is 90 because these two lines are parallel. So this is pi by 2, and if you will add this small angle here, you will get the angle of this small sector. So first get this angle. So this angle is 0.644. This is 0.644. So after getting this angle, we can easily get the area of this sector. So this is the way. Trapezium minus 2 sectors. This question is also important. In this question, you should take this part only. Just take this part. And get this area. I meant take the half part, half of this diagram. Find the area of the shaded region. Get this area, sector minus triangle will give you this area, and just multiply your answer by 2. So we have this formula, area of sector minus area of triangle. And this length is 5. This is also 5. So, and this total angle is 1.2. So area of triangle is very simple. It's half AB sine C, and area of sector is also very simple, half r square theta. So it's here half r square theta, and the other thing is half AB sine C. This student use a different method, I guess. So I'm not using this method. I'm using half AB sine C. Half A is 5, B is 5, and sine C, and sine C is 1.2. So by using this formula, we can easily get the answer. But you need to multiply your answer by 2. Make sure you multiply your answer by 2. This was not required. You could leave this. I'm sorry. Just use this formula, area of sector minus area of triangle. This is the area of sector, and this is the area of triangle with half. And just multiply your answer by 2. Now we need the length of PQ. We need this length. PQ is this. Again, we will first get this part only. This is small part. Let me highlight this. This is small part. Get this part. Say this is M. And how will you get this part? By using the triangle. See. Get this length. CM. Let me draw this here. C M D, and we have this is 5, this is 90 degree, and we have this angle is 1.2. Oh sorry, this angle is 0.6. So we can easily get this length CM. So for CM we should use cos. It should be cos 0.6 and CM over 5. Once you will get CM, and the CM will be 4.13. You can easily get this length, PM. Therefore, PM will be 5 minus 4.13. So, and we need PQ, and PQ is twice of PM. So twice of 5 minus 4.13 will give you the answer, which is 1.74. So this is the concept. This is M. This point is M. This point is M. This is the right angle triangle. Whenever we have right angle triangle, always try to solve the triangle first and then solve the question. This is adjacent and this is the angle. We can easily get this opposite by using tan in this triangle. So the length of opposite is 6 root 3. I'm sorry. We can also get this hypotenuse, OX. It must be here, it's 12. I guess P is the midpoint. No, it's not mentioned. So this total length is 12, so this will be 6 and this will be 6. By using Pythagoras, you can get this. Now, for the first part, we need the length of AX, done. This is the length of AX, 6 root 3. Area of shaded region, simple. It's triangle minus sector. Area of triangle minus area of sector. Triangle is right angle triangle and sector half r squared theta. Perimeter, very simple, 6 root 3, this length and this arc. Because perimeter means sum of the boundaries of the required region. This region is surrounded by 3 boundaries, this, and this. Get the arc length for that. So this is the arc length, 2 pi. So 6 root 3, 6 and 2 pi. That's the answer, exact answer. In this question, we have to show theta. So this is so simple. We can easily prove this theta by using by getting this height first. First use this triangle and get this height, because both the heights will be same because it's trapezium. So this length, this red one, this will be 3 root 3. You can suppose this as P1 and this is P2. So this length is 3 root 3. So So this length is 3 root 3, therefore this length is also 3 root 3. By using uh, sine theta in this triangle, we can show this thing. Here is the answer. So in this question, this length was very important. First get this length, and these two lengths are same, this and this. Therefore, you can use sine theta to prove the answer. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Very simple. You just need this length first, which is very important, and then you need to get the arc lengths of these two sectors. And how will you get this length, DE? You can easily get this length by first finding this length, AP1, then get BP2. This total is the sum of the radius of both the circles, which is 16. So 16 minus this, and this will give you this length. So AP1 is 3, this length is 3, it's here, and BP2 is 8.54. This is 3, this is 8.54. So 16 minus, this is 8.54, 16 minus 8.54 minus 3 will give you the length of DE, which is 4.46. So this length is 4.46. Now you just need to get the arc lengths of both the sectors. So sector, get the arc lengths. This is the arc length of dx, this is the arc length of ex, and this is the perimeter. Nice work of this student. Neat and tidy. Let me check. This question is important. I'm sorry. Well, this arc has center O, and this is the quadrant. We need AC in terms of r and theta. This is the hypotenuse, and this is the theta. So this will be r cos theta, and this total BC, this BC length will be r sine theta. And you know this total length is r. So this small length, this must be r minus r cos theta. This total is r, therefore, and this length is r cos theta, therefore CA will be r minus r cos theta. And this length, this small length is r minus r cos theta because it's radius. They both are same. So this length must be r sine theta minus r cos theta. Make sure you understand the diagram carefully. You should observe the diagram carefully and write everything carefully, all the lengths. So the first part, AC, we need AC. AC is here. It's r minus r cos theta. Here is the answer. Now the second part, we need perimeter of the shaded region. For that we must have this arc, this length, and this arc. So BC is 2 root 3. I found BC in this form, r sine theta. Now they have given the values of r and theta. By putting the r and theta here, we will get the answer. It's 2 root 3. Now We need BD. BD is here. This is BD. It's 1.46. And perimeter is the arc length, BA, and the arc DA, and this length BD. So this is BD, this is the arc length, this is BD. BD is 1.46. This question is important, and this will be the last question of this class, of this lecture. In this question, this thing is very important. This thing is very important. This is the radius. This total length is 20. Because radius means center to arc distance. Since this length is x, so this OC will be 20 minus x. Once you get this 20 minus x thing, then you can use this triangle to get the length of x. This triangle is here. This is x. This is 20 minus x. This is 90 degree because of tangent is perpendicular to radius. This angle is 0.6, so we can get the length of x. And this part was important in this question, the value of x. Find the total area. This is very simple. It's sector minus triangle. Sector minus triangle. Sorry. Perimeter of this part. So simple. You know this total angle is 1.2, so this total angle will be pi minus 1.2. So we just need to get this arc, this length and this length. You can suppose this as y. So perimeter will be 2y plus arc. This is the arc and this is, I suppose, y. Here is the perimeter. Well, this is all from this class, from this lecture. I hope this lecture will help you to understand the way to solve the question of this circular major topic. Make sure you will watch, or you have watched the first lecture on this topic to understand the concepts in detail. Be proactive. This is the advice for me and for everyone. Allah Hafiz.